long conversations between Jesus and the Samaritan woman, between someone else, between the disciples. So napakaganda. And it is full of symbolism. Kaya ready kayo kasi nasa pangalawang page pa lang ako ng homily ko. Now, huwag kayo matulog. Okay, now, let's go. So, you see, the setting, the context of our gospel is we are the well. No? Jacob's well. When you see well in the Bible, it's always a place of encounter. Ngayon, messenger na. Dati it's a well. Balon. No? Nung bata ako, sa harap ng bahay namin, may well doon. At palaging may nag-iigib ng tubig. You see, it's a place of encounter. And in biblical sense, it's so important that somehow it symbolizes marriage. It happened to Moses. It happened to Rebecca. No? And now in the gospel, we see Christ encounters with a Samaritan woman. No? So it's a place of encounter. Then the second aspect, the second symbol na nilagay ni John is that anong oras yun na pumunta si Jesus? At noon. Maybe some of you already knew, no? That in the Gospel of John, when he speaks of light and darkness, it's very important. Hindi yan basta-basta trip lang St. John na lalagyan niya ng oras. It's very important. At noon. Saan yung araw noon? The position of the sun is not oblique. No? It's up. Talagang perpendicular.